and we have two triangles inside this a bigger triangle, and we got to figure out how do we find letter X. Well, to do this, so since these two triangles are inside the bigger triangle, we know they are similar to each other, so we need to create a ratio. And a ratio works like this. You know, a ratio is equal to each other because it's growing at the same rate, and we can write the ratios as a fraction. So we're going to talk about, we're going to compare the ratio of this triangle versus the bigger triangle, or the big triangle right here. So let's start with the smaller one. Well, we can talk about this side versus this side, which would be 5 over x. And we could talk about this side over this side, which would be 7 over, well, what would the bottom be? Because we don't really know. We know the entire thing is 10, but we don't know this piece exactly. And this is where a lot of people get stuck. Well, think about it this way, guys. If we know the entire thing is 10, and we know this little piece is x, couldn't you just say this is 10 minus x? Because if you subtract this piece, all you're gonna have left is this one, the one you want. So let's go ahead and put that in, 10 minus x. And once your ratio is ready, let's go ahead and cross multiply. Well, 7 times x is just 7x. And we're going to write this next to each other because we actually need to multiply the 5 to all of that, which we call distributive property. 5 times 10 is 50. 5 times negative x is negative 5x. Let's write everything down. And let's move all the x's to one side, which would be 7x plus 5x is 12x. And that would give us equals 50. Divide by 12, guys. So our x is actually 50 over 12, which if you wanted to reduce, divide by 2, that will be x equals 25 over 6. So you found the missing piece right here, which will be 25 over 6.